Today, we're looking at a genuinely fascinating shift in tech. We're talking about taking the knowledge you already have locked up in your head and turning it into real, tangible digital assets. If you've ever wondered how you could personally step up, help shape the future of artificial intelligence, and, crucially, actually get fairly compensated for your human expertise, well, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to explore a platform that is entirely rethinking how AI learns from us. Let's get right into it.
Okay, let's dive into this. Why do AIs sometimes give totally absurd answers? We've all seen it happen. You log on to your favorite AI tool, you ask this incredibly advanced, multi-billion-dollar system a fairly straightforward question, and it spits back a response that is just wildly absurd. It really makes you stop and wonder, right? How can a technology this powerful and this smart still manage to make such silly, hallucinatory mistakes? What's actually going on under the hood that causes these weird glitches in logic?
Well, honestly, the root of the problem is the data diet we've been feeding it. When companies just dump massive amounts of unfiltered raw internet data into an AI model, they are inevitably scooping up all the quirks of human communication. And yeah, that includes things like highly sarcastic Reddit comments. If a user posts a completely sarcastic response to a genuine question, the AI just takes it as literal, factual truth. It simply doesn't know the difference without us. This highlights the absolutely vital need for real, verified human context to act as a filter. Because without us refining the data, AI is literally just echoing the noise of the internet.
So, how do we fix this broken system? Well, historically, the tech industry has relied on traditional data labeling models based on anonymous crowdsourcing. That old model leads to totally inconsistent quality, unclear accountability, and frankly, misaligned incentives. People just rush through tasks to get a few cents. But Perle Labs replaces that broken system with a vibrant network where your specific expertise is verified and valued. Every single contribution you make is tracked securely on-chain, and your rewards are completely transparent. It shifts the whole paradigm away from anonymous click farms straight to verified experts like you.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is what your exact journey looks like as a contributor. It's a brilliantly structured 5-step process. First up, training modules, where you prove your unique qualifications. Second, you dive into annotation and evaluation tasks. This is the actual, highly valued data labeling. Third, your accuracy and reliability fuel your reputation tracking over time. Fourth, you're recognized through a badge system as you hit major milestones. And finally, number 5, provenance records. This creates an immutable on-chain log of your great work. Your expertise directly translates into a permanent reputation and, of course, earned digital assets.
Let's talk about the underlying technological engine that makes all of this hum. You might be wondering, why Web3? Well, in this context, blockchain isn't just flashy industry jargon. It is the vital, absolute necessary vehicle for ensuring you get fair compensation. Perle Labs runs specifically on the Solana blockchain, which was chosen for a few key reasons: its blazing speed, its ability to scale globally, and its almost negligible transaction costs.
But the crucial point here is what this technology actually enables for you. We're talking transparent provenance and compliance-ready records. Every piece of work you do is logged securely forever, creating records that massive enterprise partners can actually trust. Plus, instant payments. No more waiting around for a check in the mail at the end of the month. You get paid instantly while building a portable, on-chain reputation. And maybe most importantly, this creates true global inclusion. Anyone, anywhere in the world can participate and be rewarded fairly and instantly. It completely levels the playing field.
Behind all of this incredible infrastructure is a multidisciplinary team bridging the worlds of AI, data operations, blockchain architecture, and product design. Their core mission is to make human expertise a verifiable, measurable, and auditable digital asset. Think of this infrastructure as the ultimate bridge. It connects massive, enterprise-grade AI development directly with decentralized human contributors. It ensures that people like you, the ones who actually helped train the AI, are recognized and compensated transparently.
Now look, when you're investing your valuable time and professional expertise into a new platform, you want to know for sure that it's stable, well-supported, and growing, right? So let's look at the hard data and the social proof behind Perle Labs' recent momentum. Because this isn't just some conceptual white paper idea. This is a highly stable rocket ship with real traction, and it's one you are definitely going to want to get aboard right now.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what I mean. In mid-2025, Perle Labs secured $9 million in brand new seed funding, and this round was led by Framework Ventures.
When major players step up with that kind of capital, it's a massive stamp of approval from the investment community. It's a loud, clear signal that they truly believe verified human data is the future of AI. That fresh injection of capital brings their total funding up to a staggering $17.5 million. I mean, that is a serious number, and it proves deep, sustained industry confidence in their vision. The enterprise and investment worlds know that the anonymous crowdsourcing model is basically dead, and they are putting serious financial backing behind Perle Labs' solution to reward verified human expertise.
But it's not just investors catching on either. The community traction is absolutely explosive. Following their recent announcements, they saw over 300,000 social engagements and gained nearly 30,000 new followers in just a single week. That tells us that the Web3 and AI communities are rapidly converging on this platform. Why? Because they instantly recognize the true value and fair compensation it provides to contributors across the globe.
I absolutely love this vision statement from the team, redefining how verified human knowledge powers intelligent systems. That really is the ultimate goal here. By aligning these transparent, on-chain incentives with your measurable expertise, we're stepping into a future where doctors, linguists, engineers, researchers, and everyday experts can directly train, evaluate, and actually govern AI. You aren't just blindly feeding a machine, you are actively shaping its intelligence and being fairly rewarded for the incredible value you bring to the table.
So the only question left for you is, are you ready to get rewarded? If you want to take your expertise and turn it into tangible digital assets, you can join the platform right now. Just click the link in the description of this explainer to start your contributor journey today. Let me leave you with this final thought. Are you going to sit back and just watch AI evolve from the sidelines? Or are you ready to jump in and personally shape the future of flawless, human-trained artificial intelligence? Check out the link in the description, and I'll see you next time.